I recently purchased an i25A remote control for my home theater PC, and I quite like it. I also use it to turn on my receiver and TV. One thing that bothers me though is that it doesn't have a right-click button. There are versions that do have this button, but mine doesn't. So here is how I changed the back button, the button with the U-shaped arrow, into the right-click button. Download and install Auto Hotkey. Copy the two script lines from the description below. Open Notepad and paste the two script lines. Save the file on your desktop as rightclick.ahk. Start the script by double-clicking on it. Press the Win key and the R key simultaneously. Type shell, startup, and press enter. Move the right-click script to the startup folder and you are done. Unfortunately, it does not work in all programs, but it does most of the time. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.